guys, nandito ako ngayon sa school. Pick up natin yung aling maliit natin, bunso kong babae. Ayan, pero maaga ako Pinagahan ko ng ano para kahit pa paano kapag exercise. Lakad lang tayo dito. Isang oras. Paligid natin. Yun. Yun yung school. May sound ba? Naririnig mo ba ako? Parang may ice yung hangin. Lagi. Isang buwan na atang ganito na hindi nagpapakita yung araw. Dahon nagkakalaglagan na. Ayan. Dito ako ngayon sa tabi ng kalsada. Maingay. Maraming sasakyan. Ganito lang araw-araw. My everyday life. Drop off sa kids sa school. Tapos magpipick up na naman. Kasi guys, since 2021 I'm not working till now because I got injured at work. So yeah, my back, as I have a slip disc. Binabayaran. Meron naman ako kunting nakukuha sa trabaho, sa insurance. So they give me a little money. So it's better than nothing, because right now I can not able to work because of my injury. Yeah. But hopefully I get better. Mhm. Yeah, this is our neighborhood right here. Yun. Dito na tayo sa ano. Yeah. Yan o, daming na ano, kalat-lagan yun. Alpo na yung mga puno. Pasok tayo dito sa kabahayan. It's breaking cold. Oh. Guys, subscribe po ang ating channel. At paki-share na rin po. Laking tulong po sa akin. At all my subscriber, thank you so much. House. Right. Select. The interest right now is too high. But hard to own a house, get an own house. It's like this one maybe it's like $1 million. See? It's one meter. And they have a good level of the That's the important, the most important. When we build a house, when we buy a house, what? Yun lang. Kaya na lang mga ganyan. Pag ulan, walang tubig. Pinusahin nila yun. Dapat nagkakat ng bat. Eh, ganito na nga design ng ba? Maraming ulit. Uy. Ano? Ubus. Yung mga leaves. Ubus na yung dahon. Ay. So, dito na ako sa kabilang side. Umiikot kasi tayo pabalik sa school. Ano? Let's go back to school. It's cold. It's freaking cold. When it's summer, it's super hot. Then when it's winter, it's super cold. I like that. And they have what do you call that? I didn't see it. They have a fiesta. Whew. Hello everyone. How are you guys? Please subscribe, like and share my videos. That's a lot of help for me and appreciate it. Parang ano, may pista. Yung ito, mga hotel na yan. Yung mga ano, yung mga mall dito maliliit. Ay, anong ibig kong sabihin? Hiwa-hiwalay at maliliit yung mga ano lang, kumbaga sa bahay, one story bungalow. Hindi katulad sa ano, Pilipinas na talagang malalaki na ano, yan o, yung yan lang, ganyan mga building nila. Pero tong mga puno na to, pag nag-ano na yung tagsibol ng mga, anong tawag nito, yung mga bulaklak saka dahon. Kasi minsan nauuna yung bulaklak kaysa dun, sa dahon. Kaya ang gandang tignan. Ayun, ganyan yung mga mall dito. Pasensya na sa mga sasakyan dito tayo nag-walking sa tabing kalsada. Pinikutan natin yung school. Yun. Malamig talaga. It's cold. Whew. I have cold now. Ang kagandahan dito, kahit ganitong katabi ng mga daanan, may walkway para sa mga tao na pwede mong pagjagingan, pwede rin pagbisikletahan. Minsan na yung bike sa street lang, may nakalaan na para sa bike talaga, na malawak din. Meron din naman sa Pilipinas, kaya lang mga riders, mga drivers doon inaagawan naman. Dito hindi pwede. Ayan, yung mga mall yan, yung mga banda doon. Yan. Balik na tayo. Okay. Baba. Kakapunting minutes na tayo lalakad. Talaga. Unang dating ko dito, I finished 2020 ata, lumipat ako dito kasi pabili kami ng bahay. Kasi pag ganito dati, those houses in there, way back 2020, when I first came here, all those vacant land over there, this one, the living spaces, this one right here, the gasoline station, those houses, everything is empty. It's like I mean, it's not empty, it's like a walnut. There's a lot of walnuts here before. Now This one, gasoline station, and right here, the lot over there is walnut too. But now I don't know why they don't. They take it out all those walnuts, then they turn to, you know, they build a lot of houses. Yeah. Later on, this one too. Buildings. But on the other side right here, still a lot of plantation of walnut. What do you call this? Walnut, not grapes. Strawberry. Oh no, not strawberry. Cherries. A lot of cherries. Those guys is cleaning the we're almost there, so let's go back to our car and wait for the dismissal. Those young people, young kids, man, they driving like a hell. And this side too, they making houses. Yeah, financing provided by, like, start with 500,000. Yeah, that's the small houses right there. I don't know how big is it, what's it. So, but they start at 500,000. It's cold right now. I'm freezing. But we almost there. So guys, again, thank you. If you can share my video, likes, and subscribe for those who are not subscribed yet. And I'm so appreciate that if you subscribe me. You know, this is, you know, I'm trying for lives right now because I'm new in YouTube. So for now I don't have a lot but I'm trying though, I'm trying to make it better.
Wow.
So maybe 10 lives. So I make it better. So I'm trying to find out how like those others. Sometimes I don't know how, even on the editing, I have a hard time. So anyway, yeah, I'm trying. And again, thank you so much. So I think see you next time, guys. I'm here on the school now. So oh, I spend 50 minutes and to 52 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, that's the school now. So thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.